Namaste. Now we are going to know about the another Nayanar history. His name is Rudra Pashupati Nayanar. In the Chola kingdom was the village Tiruthalayur. Pashupati was born in that town into a Brahmin family with a tradition of chanting the holy Vedas. Pashupati had great love for the Pati, means Lord, who, like the sun, appears to shred the Pasham, means bonds, that grip the Pashus, means soul. That Pati is the supreme as taught by Vedas in the Vedas. One of the most sacred hymns is the Sri Rudram. This holy has in its bosom the holiest mantra for any Shaivate. Namah Shivaya, the Siva Panchakshara. The Sri Rudram is chanted in all major worship traditions of Lord Shiva. The Nayanar's practice was to keep chanting this holy hymn which pleases the essence of the Vedas to the Lord Shiva. At dawn, when the birds started chirping, the bees tuned their rhythms, the sky woke up with a reddish eye, and the sun brisked up. He would go to the pond with cool water where the flame colored lotuses blossomed to receive the day and stand in the pool with his body till the neck emerged. Like a lotus bud, he would keep his hands above his head and in the posture of saluting, his face like a blooming lotus with droplets of the devotion in the rhythm that was prescribed by his ancestors. The Nayanar would chant the holy Rudram with petal like feet of the Almighty, delighting the lotus of his heart. The redolence of the constant flow of his love increased by superior mantra anointed the Lord at dawn and through the day. His austerity, his love, and the sacredness of the hymen helped him obtain the blessings of the Lord, which is difficult even for the celestial powers to obtain. With that grace of God, the devotee chanting the Sri Rudram continuously reached the abode of the Lord painlessly. He, having got the coveted place by chanting of the holy Rudram, became known as Rudra Pashupati Nayanar. Let the greatness of chanting his holy hymen as shown by the life of Rudra Pashupati Nayanar stay in our minds. Hara Hara Mahadeva Shambho.